Recovering deleted messages on Pinterest can be challenging as the platform does not have a built-in feature for message recovery. However, you can try the following steps to see if you can retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check your email notifications. Look for email notifications from Pinterest. If you have email alerts enabled, you might find copies of your messages in your email inbox. Step 2. Review archived messages. If you have previously archived messages, instead of deleting them, check your archived messages section. This may allow you to access messages you thought were deleted. Step 3. Contact Pinterest support. Reach out to Pinterest support for assistance. Provide them with details about the messages you want to recover and they may be able to help you. Step 4. Check other devices. If you access Pinterest from multiple devices, check those devices as well. Sometimes, messages may still be available on another device where you haven't logged out. Step 5. Use third-party recovery tools. Consider using third-party recovery tools that can scan your device for deleted data. Be cautious and ensure that the tool is reputable before using it. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Pinterest may not always be possible, following these steps could help you retrieve important information. Always remember to back up important messages in the future to avoid losing them.